Hello viewers, welcome to our channel Tech9N, and in this video today I'm going to show you how to update graphics driver from a computer. Okay, and this is one of the simple method to update the graphics driver on your computer. And for this you just need to right click on the start menu and then go to device manager. Okay, there you can see different hardwares associated with your computer, and just go to display drivers. Okay, and there you can see Intel SD graphics family and NVIDIA GeForce 820M. I have these two graphics in my laptop. This one is the integrated and this is the dedicated graphics, NVIDIA GeForce 820M. And in order to update them, whichever you want, you just need to right click on it, and there you can see update driver, and there you have two options to update. And if you have working internet connection, just click on the first source automatically for updated driver software, and as you click on it, it will search for the latest driver for Intel SD graphics family, and then it will install it on your computer. Similarly you can update the graphics driver of NVIDIA GeForce 820M also. And if you got other AMD graphics, you can just follow the similar method, and it's quite easy. So friends, in this way we can update graphics driver of our computer. I hope you like this quick tutorial, so please like and share this video, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the notification updates. Thanks for watching.